and the worst neural damage is patched, Doctor.
Good. Activate the visual cortex. Leave the rest of the brain blocked for now.
Are you sure it's worth it, Doctor? The orders said...
Stop it. I already told you that the extermination orders won't apply to this subject. Gunnar, follow the light with your eyes. Now to the left, and to the right. Good. Put the whole brain to sleep.
Can you hear me? Wake up.
What?
I'm up here. Stand up. Careful. Go slowly. You're still too weak, but you're gonna make it. Oh no. You're bleeding.
That's nothing.
You have to use the medichamber. Get in.
Slow down, Princess. What's going on?
There's no time for questions.
Now
We
action.
have to move fast.
Why do I feel like I've had a conversation like this before?
If you stay, they'll lock you down for experiments, like me. But I managed to hack down the medbot. Disable the lasers blocking the hallway. The terminal should accept your fingerprint now.
What killed him?
I did. He was standing too close to a power conduit from the laser blockade. Get his weapon. You'll need it. Good.
Accuracy lab.
Now you have to go and turn on the main generator for this
Have
level.
a good day, Gunnar Jake.
What's happening, y'all?
That's a security cyberdog. It can't get to you right now. Hopefully, it'll be too busy with zombies soon. Find the generator. I can hack into most doors and security systems, but only if they're powered. The local grid is off, so only the systems with their own backup sources work. Together, we have a chance. You're not going to make it alone. Watch out! There's one of them just close. Not a phone. Aim for the head. Don't forget, it's short range and requires some time to charge. Watch out! The security drone has just activated.
What the hell?
Subject recorded. No orders found. Drone returning to main duties.
Sorry, it wasn't powered, so I missed it. Luckily, it doesn't have any orders concerning you, so it let you go. But it raised the alarm. Go to the generator, quickly! Short-circuited the containment system and let those monstrosities out. We'll deal with them later. Now move to the generator. You're close. Oh no. The cyberdog got to this sector. You'll have to deal with it.
power is back.
Good. Now go for the door behind you.
How many zombies have you set free?
Maybe more.
I think you've overdone it.
I told you. We need to slow down the soldiers. There's too many of them. You don't seem to have any problems with killing zombies. And it improved our odds. Shut it down.
What happened?
You might have noticed that the ship isn't exactly ship-shape after all those experiments and fighting. There are power and pressure spikes everywhere. Up to me. There's an elevator. It works now. I've already hacked the door leading out. As soon as you get up here, we can move somewhere safe.
Hey there, Princess. How are you?
The name's Danette.
I'm Gunnar Davis.
Yes, I know. Follow me.
How about thanking me for setting you free, Princess?
Thanks for letting me out.
No kiss?
We're not safe here, so I suggest we get the hell out of here.